Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to show you one of my daily routines, which is coming out to my garden first thing in the morning, having a cup of tea and enjoying our beautiful weather here in southeast Queensland. We don't have any clouds in the sky this morning, and the birds just sound absolutely amazing as well. Put into the comments a little sun if you are an early riser and love to come out to your garden. I just wanted to quickly show you, we've got our first little tomato here. Let me see if I can show you. How exciting is that? So they are doing so well. We've also got 3 little flowers happening there as well. And I've also got some flowers and a little capsicum. How exciting is that? So we love you to follow on with our journey. Please hit our subscribe button if you want to see more. We're planting some seeds today as well, which is super exciting. Listen to those birds, they sound amazing.